Septic system installation rules can be a total headache if you don't know what's up with local permits and health department regulations. Alright, so first off, always check with your local health department before you even think about installing a septic system. They usually have super specific standards about where you can put the tank, how deep it needs to be, and how far from your house or water sources it should sit. Next, make sure you get all the required permits, because skipping that step can lead to fines or having to redo everything. When picking a spot for the system, avoid areas that flood or have high water tables. This messes with how the system works. Also, consider soil tests. They check if your soil is good at absorbing water, which is key for the drain field. Don't try to DIY this unless you really know what you're doing. These systems are technical and need pros. Keep in mind maintenance rules too. Some places require regular inspections to keep your system running smooth. Lastly, always follow any local building codes or environmental laws to avoid trouble down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic system installation is ignoring local health department regulations, which can cause serious legal problems or unsafe systems. The fix? Always start by talking to your local health office and getting their guidelines. Another common issue is installing the system in the wrong spot, like too close to a well or in poor soil, which can lead to contamination or failure. Soil testing and site evaluation help avoid this. Third, a lot of folks skip the permits or paperwork, risking fines and delays. Your best bet is to get all required permits and approvals before starting any work. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know septic system rules and get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their expertise, making it easier for everyone involved.